Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPXA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and helps making out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to map out. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely monster day here for the chart. Just up and up at one. It seemed like, every 30 minutes. And then finally, again, each one of these, like I said, does represent 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the final 30 minutes of the day. Big old green candle on increased volume. Not the biggest volume of the day, but still good size volume. And then most importantly, you got that big, nice green candle that formed. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk about some areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.25, that would be the best case scenario, and that would certainly make the chart look the strongest. But by no means is that some sort of must-hold level or anything like that. Next level of support after $1.25, going to call down here at about $1.03. So $1.25, $1.03, two near-term levels of support. And then from the big picture of things, keep an eye on the purple line down there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I fully realize that it's irrelevant right now, given that it's way down there. The price closed way up there. But the key word there is 50-period simple moving average, meaning as time goes by, that line's going to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. But yes, as it stands right now, not relevant, but that'll take care of itself over time. Near term again, $1.25, $1.03. Now for the fun stuff. What about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here. There we go. Let's see. Is that where the price stopped today? We shall see. Let's see. The high right there. I closed right at it. Not shocking at all. We'll just call it $1.50. Why is that not shocking at all? Well, if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see right there. That is the level that knocked it down after the big gap down, and then the price tried to bounce. And that's essentially right where the price closed today. So $1.50. So $1.50, key public enemy number one going into tomorrow. No doubt about it, though. Very, very nice day today. And it's really at this point not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but most important part is building higher bases and starting to build those higher lows, which will lead to a longer term healthy uptrend. So we'll see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.